What's the meaning of cratic? Cratic. Cratic.
Cratic. Cratic. The suffix cratic derives from the ancient Greek word kratos, meaning power or rule. When added to the end of a word, it signifies a form of government or social order characterized by that particular type of power or rule. For example, democratic refers to a form of government where power is held by the people, while aristocratic refers to a class-based form of government where power is held by a privileged few. In general, the suffix cratic denotes a type of power structure or system that governs a society or organization.